Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this green festive cat eye. So if you want to see how I get this look, keep watching. All right guys, to start this look, I have primed my lids with my foundation and a concealer. You can absolutely use an actual eyeshadow primer. Choice is really up to you. I am now just setting it with a translucent powder just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Kind of like double insurance. So now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in with this color right here. This is called Fortune Cookie by Lime Life. And I am just going to pat it on. This is a number E23, just a nice fluffy brush, and put it right here in your transition area. Start with a little bit and then work your way up. I don't want this to be that prominent. I want it to be very subtle just to kind of warm up my eyelid because our wing is going to be the main focus. So just a little bit just to kind of give us a little something. Now I'm gonna go in with my Duo eyeliner pencil from Lime Life as well. This is the Be Proud Appreciate You. It has green, like a very pretty emerald green, and then a beige on the other side. We're gonna be using both of these today. So I'm gonna be taking Appreciate You, and I am just going to be putting this right in my inner half of my eye. You can see it's kind of shimmery, which I really love because it definitely helps give you those like vibes, those holiday vibes. And then I'm just taking my finger and blending it. I don't want this to be super prominent. I want it just to kind of be a wash. So I am just blending it and blending it out to the corner. What this is going to do is it's going to brighten up your eyes and keep them nice and bright for this look. If you don't have the pencil, that's totally okay. Just go with a very soft, bright, kind of shimmery shade. I am going to bring this also down onto my lower waterline, not all the way. It's actually going to go right underneath my lashes, and then I'm just going to blend it out from there. Again, just to brighten up our eye. Next, I'm going to go in with an eyeliner pin. Really, any will work, but I love the precision of this one. Again, it's by Lime Life, but I love the precision that this gives. Isn't that gorgeous? So I am going to take a mirror. And what you want to do is you want to draw a line like it's connecting from your waterline up to your brow. Obviously, we're not making it that high, but you kind of get the idea of the direction that it's going, and that's going to give you a perfect eye every time. So we're just going to take that, and I'm kind of flicking it, just doing small strokes. Once you have that, you're going to draw it down to make your triangle, and then you're going to fill that in. I'm going to extend this over. If you have hooded eyes, you can absolutely stop right where we stopped. Once you have your liner the way you want it, you're actually going to be using that just as a guide. So you're going to be taking your Be Proud, which is that emerald green color, and we are actually just going to go right over that line that we created. By using that black liner first, we're kind of just using it as a guide because it makes going back over with the color so much easier, because it can be hard with the pencil to actually get a nice crisp cat eye, so that black just really helps. I am going to put a little bit of that green actually on my waterline as well. Now that you have your wing and your waterline the way you want it, I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to add a couple layers of mascara to top it off. I'm going to show you a little tip that I do. I always warm up my mascara first. It glides on a lot better, kind of like butter, really, and it coats every lash. I'm going to show you where I keep it. I actually keep it here because as I'm doing the rest of my makeup, it has had time to warm up, and it's going to go on so much smoother. So to finish off our look today, I'm going to be going for a red lip. Nothing screams holiday more than a red festive lip. So what I'm gonna first do is go in with my True Red Lip Liner by Limelight. I'm actually gonna overline my lips just a tad. I start on the bottom and just add kind of like a slight curve to that, but going just slightly below my natural lip line. You notice I drew an X. This is going to keep my Cupid's bow, but then I draw slightly over my lip line. This is going to help my lips appear fuller than what they maybe naturally are. But then I go and actually connect it with my natural lip line when it comes to the corners. This is how you can keep your lips looking more natural by overlining them. I am going to fill this in because when you fill in your lips with a lip liner, it actually helps your lipstick last longer. From here, I am going to take my liquid lip. This is Cherry Pie and is a long-lasting liquid lip. It does dry down matte, but what I really love about it is it's not drying like so many liquid lips. It actually is very hydrating. Another trick that I'm going to teach you that's going to keep all of your looking cohesive is I'm actually going to be using this as a blush, believe it or not. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to wipe off a lot of that product because you're not going to need a ton of product, and you're going to smile and you want to first put this exactly where you want it. So I'm going to smile. I'm going to put it right here. Just a few taps. Then you are going to take a damp sponge, and I'm actually going to use it the side that has a little bit of my foundation on it, and then I'm just going to help blend it out. It's going to look crazy at first, but trust the process. I'm sure at this point you're thinking, Nicole, you look like a crazy person. Like I said, trust the process. I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation, swirl it around, and then I'm actually just going to go right over it. What this is going to do is it's going to just bring everything together. It's going to definitely bring down some of that crazy and just make it look like you've been playing in the snow. See what a little foundation can do? I've told you it took me from looking like a crazy person to having this beautiful blush that matches perfectly with my red lip. So all we have to do now is seal it in with some setting spray, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys all next time.